Welcome to Rich Filters for Jira Dashboards. In this video, you'll learn how to create rich filters, build interactive dashboards, and define views. Open Jira's Apps menu in the navigation bar and click Rich Filters. This will open the Rich Filters homepage. Click Create Rich Filter. In the dialog box, enter a unique name for your rich filter and choose an existing Jira filter to base it on. Think of a rich filter as a smart layer on top of your regular Jira filter. Click Create. You'll be taken to the Rich Filter Details screen. To access rich filters you've already created, go back to Rich Filters Home. Here you have your rich filters list. You can find your rich filter directly in the list or use the search field at the top. Simply click any rich filter's name to open its details page. You can change the settings here. Let's add some static filters to your rich filter. Open your rich filter and click the Static Filters tab. Click Create Static Filter at the top right. Create one filter called Closed with the JQL status equals Closed, and another one called Assign to Me with the JQL assignee equals Current User. Now you can go to Dashboards in Jira's navigation bar and click Create Dashboard. Fill in the name and description. It can be your team or project name. For this demo, it's Get Started. Choose who can see and edit your dashboard, then click Save. Now add a Rich Filter Results gadget. Type Rich Filter Results in the Add a Gadget search field. In the configuration form, select your rich filter. You don't need to change anything else right now. Click Submit. Next, add a Rich Filter Controller gadget to the same dashboard. Select the same rich filter as your results gadget and click Submit. Drag the results gadget to the right column for a better view. You can change the layout using Change Layout at the top if you want. Click Done to exit edit mode. Now watch your interactive dashboard in action. In the controller gadget, you'll see your static filters as buttons. Try toggling them on and off. The issue list in the results gadget updates in real time. If you make changes to your rich filter, use the optimized refresh button in the bottom right corner of the controller to refresh all gadgets quickly. Perfect! You now have a simple interactive dashboard that lets you filter issues with predefined buttons. Now we can add views to have different ways to display your issues for different purposes. Go back to your rich filter page and click the Views tab. Click Create Views to make a new view called, for example, Requester. Add preferred columns, such as Issue Type, Key, Priority, Summary, Reporter, and Status. Create another view called Delivery with a different set of columns: Issue Type, Key, Priority, Summary, Assignee, Status, and Resolution. Go back to your dashboard and refresh it. You'll now see separate tabs for Requester and Delivery in your Results gadget. Click the tabs to switch between views easily. You can create more views depending on your needs. Want to customize which views show in a specific gadget? Click the Rich Filters icon in your Results gadget and select Configure Gadget. In the Views section, you'll see the Show All Views option is selected by default. To show only specific views, click Customize Shown Views. Use the Add a View drop-down to select Requester and Delivery. You can drag and drop to change their order. Click Submit. The tabs in your gadget will show only your selected views. You've created multiple views that let you organize and display information logically. You can now switch between different perspectives on your issues quickly.